everyone, I'm Ashley of Ann Cosplay, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this giant Ollie!
I am in awe of the size of this lad.
Gaber, do you like Ollie? Yes, is this your baby? Is he yours now? My boys. Be sure to follow the link in the description below to download the templates for Ollie. When you print the file, be sure to select Tile Print in the print options. You'll need to cut out and tape the pieces together to recreate this large boy. You can also scale the pattern down to make a tiny Ollie. The possibilities are kind of endless. Throughout the video, you'll see me working with some different shapes. It took a lot of trial and error to get the templates correct, so if you see something different on screen here, don't worry. The templates in the PDF are final and what you should be following. Now that the body pieces are cut out, we're going to take it to the sewing machine. Place two of the triangle pieces right sides together and sew down along only one side. Open up what you just sewed and take another triangle piece, placing it right sides together with one of the ones you just sewed. Sew down along the edge once more. We're going to repeat these steps a few times until all four triangle pieces are sewn together into a sort of tent shape. This is the part where this big mass sort of comes together. I've sewn all four triangle pieces together, and now I'm just sort of finishing it off by attaching the first one to my last one. You can see what I mean by the tent shape here. I'm going to attach it to my bottom piece now, sewing all the way around the edges and leaving a small gap to turn it right side out and stuff it. And of course, my cat Gabe had to come do a quality inspection here. Good boy. And the monster's back! No, that's my marker! Now that Gabe finally let me sew this up, it's time to turn this puppy right side out. Now for the best part, stuffing it. It took me a bag and a half of this size to fill up my entire Ollie. Sometimes you just gotta test it out for maximum cuddleability. Even Gabe is a little bit jealous. Now you can sew up the gap and your body will be done. To make his cute little face, I decided to use black felt, which I hot glued on in the end. Added some little white paint to his eyes, and he was looking as cute as ever. Now came the hardest part for me. I had to translate all of Ollie's little wing details into their own shapes, but luckily for you, you can find that in the templates in the description below. Cut out all the details with the number of shapes as indicated in the pattern. Once you have them, you'll be stitching them together, leaving a gap at the bottom where you'll turn it inside out and stuff it for every single one. It's a little tedious because there's so many tiny shapes, but I swear it will be worth it in the end for all its cuteness. In the end, to attach everything, I ended up using a combination of hot glue and stitching things on by hand. It's a little bit tedious, but like I said, he's just so cute! It's worth it! And there he is, our giant Ollie, ready to go on all sorts of adventures. Thanks for joining me in my journey making this big old boy. If you use this tutorial or any of my other videos to make your own things, be sure to tag me. I am Ann Cosplay on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. I would love to see what you're making. See you next time.